So the Bengal Tigers are struggling to put runs on the scoreboard. Power plays are over. Let me remind you that this is the CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement. And 3 overs have passed us by. The score is 19 for the loss of 1 wicket. And like we said, the aggression is yet to come by in this shortest format of cricket that is yet to be seen in today's match. But nevertheless, Sunil, a couple of those shots by the captain, Joy and Yusuf, were exemplary, and they perhaps, like I said, will motivate the rest of the batting lineup to save some grace.
Definitely, Vineet. You know, the way Yusuf has come up and hit that 6 and a boundary. We see here the coach managing his bowlers, planning for the remaining 7 overs.
I'm sure you can relate to that, Sunil.
But absolutely, Vineet, you're spot on.
Well, the clock is ticking and the wickets are not ticking. Well, that's a good news for the Bengal Tigers. And the captain being on the field is reassuring and at the same time entertaining too, because the kind of shots that we have seen through Joy have been good efforts. Some of them have been converted and some of them could need some more spunk.
I think Joy looks pretty settled for a single here. It's putting Ashok on spot of trying to get his team's scores like a machine.
It's a sunny day and it doesn't get hotter than this in Hyderabad during this time of the year, and it's Christmas Eve, Sunil, so both the teams will be trying to register runs on the board as well as come up with a victory so that they can at least go back home and find Santa Claus right next to the Christmas tree with a big box which says, "You won."
Absolutely, Vineet. That's such a lovely day today. Christmas Eve, presents and presents if you win. Oh, he got a wicket there. Ashok getting Yusuf cleaned up. Oh, Joy. Was it Joy or Yusuf? No, I think it was Joy, the captain. Tigers lost the captain of the team.
Well, the joy and the sheen of the Bengal Tigers has evaporated because of that brilliant bowling effort. And let's relook at that again. And the off stump has almost gone for a walk, Sunil.
Absolutely, Vineet. I was just mentioning, look at that dance. Look at the smart dance. My goodness.
Well, that's the entertainment that we don't get to see when professional cricket is on.
Absolutely. Professionals are not meant to be entertainers.
They're entertainers in their own right, and the captain has walked back to the dugout, and it's not good news. He was looking. All right.
विनीत मैं आपको हिंदी में बता रहा था बॉल स्टंप पे लगा बंदा बाहर बॉल बैट पे लगा बॉल बाहर which has happened
जी बहुत ही एप्ट एनालॉजी कहेंगे इसको जो आपने दी है और एक जहन में एक ही पिक्चर पेंट कर देता और अच्छी गेंद सुनील
perfect angle that's his look at this confidence of his bowler
cut it yeah
I think Ashok has been bowling really well end of the over 21 for 2 Bengal Tigers
Yeah, only spinners, guys. Come on. Sweeping shots, yeah.
शहर हैदराबाद टूर्नामेंट है CCL T10 ब्लास्ट विच इज पावर्ड बाय भारती सीमेंट और 10 ओवर खेलने को मिलेंगे और अपने 5वें ओवर का आगाज कर रहे हैं अब बंगाल टाइगर्स जिन्होंने अभी 2 विकेट गंवा दिए हैं और सिड और यूसुफ अभी क्रीज पर हैं। शाम चेन्नई राइनोज से अपना जलवा बिखेरने के लिए क्रीज पर आ गए हैं। देखिए स्कोर तो बहुत ही हताश है। इस स्कोर के चलते मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये 75 तक भी पार कर पाएंगे सुनील।
Vinith, it's very difficult, from here, Bengal Tigers can get a decent score of maybe 75 or 80 after 21 for 2 or 4 overs. And we have a new bowler, Santanu. I think this is a great, move by CCL governing council, getting into T10 blast. That's a good move, new innovations. I think there's a lot of thought process has gone into it and they made it happen. Fantastic.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट और इंटरसेप्ट कर लिया। सुनील, एक कप्तान की अब नीति क्या रहेगी कि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने अभी ये मोमेंटम हासिल किया है और जो मुश्किल से हासिल किया है उसको अब मेंटेन कैसे करके रखेंगे? वो क्या चल रहा होगा उनके जहन में इस वक्त?
I think at this stage, the Rhinos captain just want to make sure that he has more number of dot balls and couple of singles. Nothing more than that from his bowlers.
जी और ये वाइट का इशारा दिख गया और ये अच्छी खबर है बंगाल के लिए क्योंकि रन बल्ले से तो आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, बॉलर से तो आए।
I thought he was not going to give wide, but he gave.
जी और गंभीरता और ये कोशिश करी उठाने की बल्ले को, पर जैसा कि मैंने कहा गंभीरता, परिपक्वता, ये सब ऐसी चीजें हैं जो अभी इनकी बल्लेबाजी में नजर आनी चाहिए। पर अभी भी मुझे थोड़े सहमे लग रहे हैं बंगाल टाइगर्स। जाहिर सी बात है सुनील, अपने कप्तान को गवा दिया है और पहला ही मुकाबला है, तो ये भी कह सकते हैं कि एक एलिमेंट ऑफ रस्टीनेस has dawned upon them.
Absolutely. Can he give this wide? No. I thought he's going to give this wide. He didn't. But Vineet, मेरे को लगता है आप काफी दिनों से, सालों से आपसे मिल रहा हूँ मैं। मेरे को लगता है आप हाल ही में आप सिद्धू जी से कब मिले थे?
जी जब मैं खाली होता हूँ तो मैं अपने फोन पर ही आजकल सिद्धू जी के वीडियोस देखता हूँ और आप उनकी तरह खेलते हैं।
At this stage, I think Rhinos, they are bowling more dot balls. Vineet, I think Tigers need to get onto the Rhinos and run.
Well, in a fight between Rhinos and Tigers, well, that's a wide, and that's good. Runs coming off again through the medium of bowlers. पर जैसा मैं कह रहा था कि जब इन दो दिग्गज जंगल के प्राणियों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, राइनोसरस और टाइगर के बीच में, तो एक उत्साहित मनोरंजन का जो जलवा होता है,
होना चाहिए,
वो कब देखने को मिलेगा?
That's a good one. A Tiger has finally cracked it. Vineet, I think he has listened to you, Vineet. That's a good one. Good shot on pull to finish the over. 29 for 2 after 5 overs. Bengal Tigers.